boys and girls, I'm here with Ivy again, and we have a book called Hi Pizza Man, and it's by Virginia Walter, and pictures are by Ponder Goenbel. Look at all the creatures that are holding on to the pizza box. How many of you are ordering lots of pizza now that we're at home all the time? Mama! I'm hungry. I know you're hungry, Vivian. It's so hard to wait for the pizza man to come, but he'll be here soon. You have to be patient. There's birds outside, so Ivy's checking them out. What will you say when the doorbell rings and we open the door? Hi, Pizza Man. What if it's not a pizza man? What if it's a pizza woman? Then what will you say? Hi, pizza woman. What if it's not a pizza woman? What if it's a pizza kitty? Then what will you say? What would you say if it was a pizza kitty? Meow, meow, pizza kitty. What if it's a pizza dog? Then what will you say? Woof, woof, pizza dog. What if it's a pizza duck? Then what will you say? Quack, quack, pizza duck. What if it's a pizza cow? Then what will you say? Moo, pizza cow. What if it's a pizza snake? Then what will you say? Pizza snake. What if it's a pizza dinosaur? Then what will you say? Roar, pizza dinosaur! Ring, ring! What do you think is going to be behind the door? Hi, Pizza Man! Just a person. That's it. Kind of a silly short story. I'll show you where Ivy ended up. She's over by the window. What's out there? Ooh. Hope you enjoyed Kitty Cat Story Time with us. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.